Emotions are everywhere. They color our world with vibrant hues. We feel happy when we see a loved one. We might feel sad when we face a loss. These feelings, these emotions, are part of what makes us human. They are the language of our inner world, telling us about ourselves and the world around us. Think of emotions as signals. They tell us what we need or how a situation affects us. When we're hungry, we feel hunger, a signal to eat. When we're threatened, we feel fear, a signal to protect ourselves. Emotions are vital for our survival and well-being. They guide our decisions and shape our interactions with others. Imagine a world without emotions. It would be a bleak and colorless place. Emotions are what make life vibrant, meaningful, and worth living. Where do these feelings come from? Deep inside our heads lies an incredible organ, the brain. This complex structure is the command center for our emotions. Different parts of the brain work together to generate and process emotions. One key area is the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure. The amygdala acts like an alarm system, quickly processing threats and triggering fear or anger. Another important area is the hippocampus. This region helps us form memories, connecting emotions to past experiences. The prefrontal cortex at the front of the brain plays a crucial role in regulating emotions. It helps us manage our impulses and make rational decisions, even when we're feeling overwhelmed. The brain is a complex network, and understanding how these different parts work together is key to unraveling the mysteries of our emotional lives. But how do these brain regions create emotions? The answer lies in the fascinating world of chemistry. Our brains are constantly buzzing with activity, sending electrical signals and releasing chemicals called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters act as messengers, carrying information between neurons, the brain's specialized cells. Different neurotransmitters are associated with different emotions. For example, dopamine is linked to pleasure and reward, while serotonin is involved in mood regulation and feelings of well-being. When we experience something enjoyable, like eating a delicious meal or spending time with loved ones, our brains release dopamine, creating feelings of happiness and contentment. On the other hand, when we're stressed or anxious, our brains release cortisol, the stress hormone, preparing our bodies to cope with the challenge. The interplay of these chemical messengers creates the tapestry of our emotional experiences. While our brains are hardwired for emotions, our experiences also play a significant role in shaping our emotional landscape. From our earliest interactions with caregivers to our experiences in school, work, and relationships, our environment shapes how we perceive and respond to the world. Early childhood experiences are particularly influential in shaping our emotional development. Children who grow up in loving and supportive environments tend to develop secure attachments and healthy coping mechanisms for dealing with stress. On the other hand, traumatic experiences, such as abuse or neglect, can have a lasting impact on emotional well-being. Our culture also plays a role in shaping our emotional expression. Different cultures have different norms about displaying emotions. For example, in some cultures it's considered rude to openly express anger, while in other cultures it's more acceptable.